Hi everyone, it's a rainy day today. I think I'll do some milk art. Hit pause, go gather some materials, and join me. Okay, I'm going to start with some whole milk. And just pour it in the bottom of my plate. You can use a tray or a plate. And I'm just going to fill that bottom square. That ought to do it. And I'm going to put a few drops on of each color. I'm going to start with blue. My blue's got a leak. So 2 drops of each. Less is better to start. You can put whatever you want. Two red. And a yellow. You can see my blue was hard to open and it leaked. I'll put 3 yellow. So there are 2 parts to this activity. This is the first part. Just use Q-tips, 1 or 2, and drag them around to create a design. I like to make swirls. And you can use different Q-tips. You can see the surface tension of the milk. It's tight. You can go slow, and you can always add more color if you'd like. And then you can swirl it, and it makes a beautiful design. And you can stop along the way and take a picture. There's the green. We don't need green because we make green. Now only 7 drops. If you get something you like, you can take a picture. And you can continue and do some more. Now if you add more color to it now with this small surface plate that I have, it will just kind of turn brown and all the colors will run together too much. But I said there are 2 parts to this activity, and the second part is we're going to add some soap now. And soap breaks the surface tension and the molecules react with the soap. So let's dip it in a Q-tip into the soap, not too much. I don't want it running, especially with a small plate like I have. If I had a lunch tray like at school, when I do this at school with students, then maybe more is okay. And just touch it and watch the reaction. Touch it and chase the colors around, kind of like tie-dye. That's pretty cool. Let me take a picture. So let's do a swirl. You can make really fun designs and Never make the same one twice. Look at the soap. Make it react. It's kind of like magnets. North and South Pole, the soap has many different molecules and the shape, positives and negatives, and the surface tension of the milk is broken so the colors can move. So simply pour this into a bowl and do it again. So you can have fun on a rainy day with milk art. And let's print it. Suitable for framing. Well, I hope you enjoyed this activity. See you next time.